दोस्तों, कश्मीर में सबसे पहली गाड़ी लाने वाला, कश्मीर की आवाम को राहत पहुंचाने वाला और टोंगा से लेकर गाड़ियों का सफर और गाड़ी की आलीशान सहूलियत पहुंचाने वाला खानदान, आज उसी हवाले से बात करेंगे। बड़ा मजेदार प्रोग्राम होगा आज का, लेकिन उस खानदान को इंट्रोड्यूस कराना और उस खानदान के एक सपूत को इंट्रोड्यूस कराना आज मैंने ये मुनासिब समझा। मैं इस वक्त मौजूद हूं नारबल में और एल्सन मोटर्स के मालिक एंटरप्रेन्योर दाऊद शाह मेरे साथ मौजूद है। थैंक यू सो मच दाऊद।
Thank you, Imran. Assalamu alaikum. I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm good. दाऊद भाई, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कांग्रेचुलेशंस फ्रॉम माय साइड, मेरी तरफ से बहुत बहुत मुबारक। जैसा मैंने इंट्रोडक्टरी रिमार्क्स में बोला कि कश्मीर को गाड़ी जैसी सहूलियत आपके खानदान ने फराम की है। टोंगा यहां पे चलता था इससे पहले, लेकिन आपका खानदान सबसे पहले, आपके वालिद मोहतरम और उनके जो आपके जो बुजुर्ग हैं जो शायद इस दुनिया में नहीं है।
जी हाँ, मगफरत दे अल्लाह उनको। माय ग्रैंडफादर ख्वाजा अली शाह, in 1954 he started Elson Motors and he brought the first automobile into Kashmir. So the evolution जो from Tonga to automobile उन्हीं ने ये शुरू करा था। And in fact when he first brought the automobile here, our first customer was the governor of Kashmir. Mr. Wazir was the governor. J.N. Wazir, ji haan. And incidentally at that time he could not afford to buy it because he didn't.
उसने मतलब उसके पास पैसे
नहीं थे, and the price was only 3,000 rupees at that time, but पैसे नहीं थे. So apart from bringing in the first automobile into Kashmir, my grandfather also started the first finance company of Kashmir. Finance भी करी थी वो गाड़ी. And through the years, obviously, Elson Motors, and we provided finance for a lot of people, including helping develop the taxi union over here. So यहाँ पर taxis जो थी उनकी भी हम ही financing करते थे, autos थी उनकी भी वही करते थे.
So Elson Motors is a big name. इस नाम को preserve करने के लिए तो एक fresh start आपने किया है नारबल, I think.
जी हाँ, नारबल here, National Highway 1. We've located our new showroom is here, and Elson Motors, जैसे मैंने कहा, 70 years legacy है. But I personally, I came back only a few years ago. पिछले 2 or 3 decades I was out of Kashmir, and like me, many people are returning to Kashmir. अब यहाँ हालात अच्छे हैं अल्लाह के फजल से, so
भी चाहिए हालात ठीक
रहना चाहिए ऐसे. We deserve peace and we deserve development as well.
We deserve everything.
जी बिल्कुल. And so we decided to re-establish Elson Motors. हमारी जो legacy है, 70-year legacy, we wanted to restart that. And now we've started with our first international automotive brand in Kashmir. This is not going to be the last, but it's the first of many to come. Yeah, Kashmir बदल रहा है, उसके साथ जैसे the rest of the country has progressed so much. You have so many international auto dealerships all over India. So this is the first in Kashmir. And in the years to come, you'll see many more coming. And of course, Elson Motors will be at the forefront of it.
So, दाऊद भाई, आपने अपनी लेगेसी को, अपनी जो विरासत है उसको बरकरार रखने के लिए आपने फ्रेश स्टार्ट किया है विद एल्सन मोटर्स, और बड़ा इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड बेनिली से आपने स्टार्ट किया है. तो कश्मीर के हालात को मद्देनजर रखते हुए कि बदलते हालात जो हैं, तो कैसा लग रहा है आपको अभी?
I think the response is fantastic. Everybody here in Kashmir has reacted very positively to this international brand coming. पहले क्या होता था कि there were some international bikes people have bought from Delhi and Chandigarh, but उनकी यहाँ service नहीं होती थी. Now, apart from bringing in this international brand with over 100 years legacy, Benelli has over 100-year legacy, we also have a service center. We also are providing spare parts. So you don't need to go to Chandigarh or Delhi to service your vehicle.
Also available.
Okay, all in-house, one-stop shop for motorbikes as well as service and parts.
So, Dawood bhai, you are yourself bike lover?
Of course, I would like to think I'm a rider.
You're a rider.
I'm a rider, and the idea is to create a whole ecosystem for motorcycles over here. Apart from the dealership and the service center, we want to support the riding groups over here. We want to create a touring company. Just like Ladakh has benefited so much from these touring companies, and tourists from around the world come to the Greater Himalayas to explore Ladakh. We want people to explore Kashmir in a similar manner. You know, we have a lot of offbeat destinations here. Of course, Gulmarg, Pahalgam, Sonmarg are great, but यहाँ पे भी ऐसी बहुत जगहें हैं जो people have not explored yet. So through the touring company, which we intend to set up as well, and you know, part of the motorcycle ecosystem, will be able to access other parts of Kashmir. You know.
इंटरनेशनल बाइक ब्रांड जो स्टार्ट किया आपने बेनेली का, was it your concept or फैमिली में से किसी और का?
Well, you know, it was my father's vision to restart Elson Motors, and he's a mechanical engineer, so always had a love for bikes and, you know, bikes and automobiles, yeah, of course. And me, myself, being a rider as well, you know, I wanted to bring in something different over here. You know, I've been riding for many years, and, you know, Benelli has recently started in India. They have about 50 showrooms across the country. This is the first one in Kashmir. So, yeah, I mean, you know, we're very excited to have brought this brand here. And apart from Benelli, in fact, it's a multi-brand we have over here. We have Benelli, which is an Italian brand with over 100 years of legacy. There's Kiwe, which is a Hungarian brand with over another 100 years of legacy. Then additionally, we have other brands in our portfolio. Zontes, under which we have amazing sports and adventure bikes. QJ Motors, which is the biggest motorcycle company in the world. You know, we have, you know, bikes from them. And of course, the very exciting Moto Morini, another very, established and premier Italian motorcycle brand that we brought for the first time to Kashmir. So there are 5 different brands available under one roof over here, you know.
भाई अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं तो आपको कौन सी बाइक पसंद है?
मुझे just, I love all of them. I mean, there's something for everybody over here, you know. We starting from our 125cc SR 125 Kiwe bike to 250cc. This is a TRK 502, beautiful adventure bike, twin cylinder. You know, for the first time in Kashmir, it's been brought over here. So, yeah, adventure bike. You can go on long rides with this and stand out, powerful. The sound is great as well, you know. But yeah, I mean, I love them all. I love the QJ SRV 300 as well. Twin cylinder bike. This is the SRC 500, you know, beautiful 500cc bike. In fact, we have a great offer going on with this bike right now. Then there's the Zontes sports bike, 350cc. And this is a fantastic bike, you know, V302 Kiwe Bender, 302. Yeah, I mean, this is a powerful looking bike, isn't it? I mean, you know? So, completely stand out, you know, both in performance, look, design. And for the first time in Kashmir, I mean, you have these international bikes that are coming, you know. And like I said, Kashmir badal raha hai, Kashmir ka mahol badal raha hai, log badal rahe hain, and people's tastes are changing as well, you know, because we are part of the international space now. We're not getting left behind, you know, as we were in the past.
दाऊद साहब, आपको जो पर्टिकुलरली नौजवान तबका है हमारा, जो बाइक लवर्स हैं, तो उनसे क्या उम्मीद आप रख रहे हैं और what do you expect from them?
I expect them to explore. I expect them to try out new things and, you know, not just be stuck with the same old. नई चीजें try करें, you know, get a taste of what everybody else around the world is doing, you know.
You are here to serve them.
We are here to serve them, after sales and service, you know.
Services also. That's actually what I have heard. We have heard about BMWs and other things, you know. People usually go out of tunnel, you know, to get the services. But आपने कहा
under one roof, you know, we have services, we have the spare parts, original spare parts, and we have a very talented, service team. The technicians are not just your old school mechanics, but people who know how to ride, people who know their stuff, and we're very proud of them, you know, the service team. They're young, but very good.
So, दाऊद भाई, ये भी मैं ज़रूर जानना चाहूँगा कि particularly ये जो bikes का आपने शुरू किया है यहाँ पे, you want to extend or you have some plans to extend, because श्रीनगर के साथ ही नहीं, हमारे बारामूला है, South Kashmir है, बहुत सारे लोग जो वहाँ से bike lovers.
No, of course. I mean, this is the first of many that we're going to be setting up. You know, Kashmir has many various districts. There's South Kashmir, there's North Kashmir. So we're going to be looking at, you know, potential franchise partners who will work with us, you know, in extending this brand beyond just Srinagar, you know.
And last pe, what is your message for the youth, particularly? And I was happy, Dawood bhai, recently you held a bike show in Gulmarg, and it is happy to see to involve the youth.
No, absolutely. We're not just limited to being a showroom and a service center. We want to create a whole ecosystem around it. We want to create a riding community over here. So we're supporting existing riding clubs by collaborating with them and also organizing our own rides. You know, at this point, we're doing every like one Sunday a month. In the future, we hope to extend that to, you know, more than just one Sunday, where all the riders are invited. Of course, you know, you need to follow safety, you know, you need to follow rules, and, you know, it will help with awareness of what a good rider is, you know. So, and at the same time, you know, we get to visit some great places as well, you know.
And exploring different regions.
Yeah, in the process, you know, we promote other industries as well, you know, whether it's our tourism, the hotels that we have, the restaurants we have. The idea is to be a generator for the wider economy as well, and not just be limited to this, you know. Because we ourselves as a business family, you know, of course this is one of our initiatives, but we also in the F&B space, we have hotels as well. And, you know, we want to be able to, you know, promote all of those things, you know, at the same time.
Okay, lastly, I would like to take your message for the youth of Jammu and Kashmir, and particularly for the Kashmir who are watching you as of now.
Stay safe, be cool, and, you know, and ride safe, and, you know, you're welcome to Elson Motors and Benili Kiwe. You know, do visit us, you know, at our showroom in Narbal.
This is this Narbal, huh?
Narbal, Lavepura, next to Sayyid Kirmani Shah Sahib Dargah. जी बिल्कुल ज़ियारत के सामने है. Come for a test ride, come and see what the vehicle is all about, and be part of the ever-growing Elson family, you know.
Elson family. Yeah, welcome to Elson family. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for talking to me.
Thank you so much for coming. Yeah.
तो बात कर रहे थे दाऊद शाह जो बेली मोटर्स पर्टिकुलरली जिन्होंने एक इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड को यहाँ पे श्रीनगर में एल्सन मोटर्स के रूप के अंडर लाया है, और यकीनी तौर पर इस शोरूम में आपको मुख्तलिफ चॉइसेस जो है वर्ल्ड की बेस्ट ब्रांड बाइक्स जो हैं, बेस्ट बाइक्स जो हैं, वो कहीं ना कहीं इस शोरूम में आपको देखने को मिलेंगी. एल्सन मोटर्स आपको आना है बारामुल्ला वालों के लिए भी, कुपवारा वालों के लिए और साउथ कश्मीर वालों के लिए. बिल्कुल हाईवे पर है, नारबल जियारत के नजदीक एल्सन मोटर्स. और यहां पे मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. और जहां तक बाइक्स का ताल्लुक है, आई रियली लव दीज ब्रांड्स, यू नो, डिफरेंट कंपनीज की जो इंटरनेशनल कंपनीज है उनके ब्रांड्स यहां पे मौजूद है. और हमारे साथ आज जम्मू कश्मीर के एक ऐसे एंटरप्रेन्योर बात कर रहे थे जिन्होंने खासकर ऑटोमोबाइल की दुनिया में एक बहुत बड़ा नाम कमाया है. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग कश्मीर क्राउन. कश्मीर जिंदाबाद. अल्लाह आपका हामी और नासिर.